Generally, he got his boxing back together, started working well behind that jab, and for Sokolowski, the tactics were good in the first.
It just sort of stunned Lazaridis into life.
Generally in control in that round, and he's a bit limited himself, but still, just general better boxing ability from Sokolowski in that first round, getting behind his jab. A lot closer. May have evened it up.
All to play for then in the third.
In that round, but he's won the first 2 rounds. It's how his fitness is going to be in this last round. And Alexandrov just has.
And as inexperienced.
In that round, Lazaridis totally in control.
Who will just keep him at the end of his jab.
And in the red corner, weighing at 102 kilos.
Who's had limited exposure to the professional fight game. He was involved.
93 kilograms in the red corner.
On to the next 3-1 stoppage. He's not been stopped.